This is calf strengthening. We're gonna do some releves or heel raises in different positions. We're gonna start in parallel. You're gonna rise up into your releve or heel raise and then control back down. And you could do a number of repetitions here. Then go ahead and turn your feet so that you're turned out, heels together, toes apart, and then same thing. You rise up and then control down. Biggest thing is that you want your ankle to track over your second and third toe, coming up and down. Good. And then go ahead and turn in, toes towards each other, heels apart. And you don't have to go this far. Go ahead and turn in a little bit more. Yep, there you go. Or turn in a little less, and then same thing. You rise up, control down. Good. This one's gonna feel a little bit funky. So again, you don't want to turn in so much that your hips start to get bothered, but just a little bit so you're emphasizing one part of your calf versus the other. Now all this can be done on a wedge as well. So a wedge like this, and then you do the same thing, placing your heels off of the wedge. You go up and down parallel. You can also do turn out. Good, and then also you can do turn in.